Right now you can see that I'm inside Visual Studio Code and I have opened a file named sizeofdatatypes.c, which is a C program file. Now this program actually prints the size of each data type in C programming language. Now I want to run this particular program using terminal. So how can I do that? Just go to this three dot menu, click on terminal, new terminal. Now you can also use the keyboard shortcut like Ctrl Shift and backtick. Now this backtick is actually situated under the escape button. You can use the keyboard shortcut or you can just click on this particular button, new terminal, and then it opens up the present working directory that I am in. So I am inside C projects folder, so that's why it is showing that I am under the D drive, under programming folder and in C projects folder. Now type gcc, then the name of the file, that is size of, you don't have to write that much, just hit tab on your keyboard, it fills up the entire file. Okay, gcc the file name. Now I want to output into an executable file, so let me type executable. Okay, spelling mistake, executable. So you can type whatever you like in this particular section. Okay, this will be the name of the executable file. Okay, just hit enter on your keyboard, and the moment you did that, you will see that a new executable file is created right here. So the name of my executable file is executable, so I need to type that. Just hit tab, it will autocomplete. Now press enter on your keyboard. Now the output of our program is shown here. Okay, now this is how you run a C file in a terminal in VS Code. Now if you want to double check again, just hit up arrow on your keyboard like this. It will show the previous commands. Just press enter. Similarly, the down arrow for anything else, down arrow for previous commands like this. Just hit enter and it shows the program output. Okay, thank you.